Hello, I'm Tony Richardson, CEO of Capital Catalyst Group LLC, and today let's talk about the greatest investment you can make, which is an investment in your people. First, make sure your team understands your purpose, audience, environment, and current trends affecting your business model. Next, build empowered community and organizational networks and tap into the resources and opportunities they bring. Third, ensure that everyone is working to create an environment where people are heard, valued, and respected, and hold people accountable when they fall short of these expectations. Fourth, remember the words of John Maxwell: people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Fifth, ensure that skill building and professional development are part of your DNA and give people the opportunity to show what they can do. Finally, employ communication strategies that are built on authenticity, balance, credibility, and trust. Remember, these qualities represent significant holdings in your leadership portfolio. Invest today for a stronger tomorrow.